Hi, as promised, welcome to my short demonstration of Kung Fu Flash cartridges for Commodore 64. It's a fully open hardware project by Kim Jorgensen. It's available on GitHub and you can build one yourself if you wish to do so. But good luck building it cheaper than you can buy it on eBay from either me or any other builders, because yeah, there's a few. Mine is not especially unique, but I've got my own design 3D printed case that may please someone's aesthetics more than other cases available on the market. So let's pop one in and see how it works. You will need a fat formatted microSD or microSD HC memory card, and it's got a very neat mechanism of push-push. So when you push one in, it locks itself, and then to release you just push again and take it out. So let's insert one with the memory card loaded. And by default, on power up, it will load your last used game or app or cartridge loaded. So let's take it back to main menu, but just by clicking the menu button. And here let's maybe look at the help screen and discuss the options. So it supports both Commodore 64 and Commodore 128, and you can search your loaded ROMs just by typing in what you want to find, and it supports special function cartridges. I don't know much about them, but yeah, you can basically load the cartridge and go back to basic and then load your software from other media and use the special cartridge functions. You can also, when there would be maybe a firmware update available, you could load it onto the cartridge, and there's a firmware update option from SD card directly, so you don't need to open up and use the ST-Link to update the microcontroller. The menu is controlled from the joystick plugged in to port 2, but you can also use the keyboard as well. And yeah, I've got, as you can see, hundreds of games loaded onto my memory card. Yeah, but really, once you get one of those, what you probably find yourself, you'll be just playing that. Sorry, mistyped it. Yeah. Because that is the best game ever. It only gets harder then, and the music gets better. Well, let's go back to the menu. And what was the one I've been playing before? Let's fire up Bomberman. Oopsie. That's the exit. Det blir väl upp. Oops. Okay, I'm code up. And we can also make an instant reset on the cartridge. Yeah, but then by default you do all of the last one, so let's go back to menu. It supports also multiple directories. Oh, and one caveat is you can't load any multi-load images. So if like you've got image of disk 1 and disk 2 or side 1 tape and side 2, that cartridge will not support it. But luckily there's a package called OneLoad with the lots of double loads games converted into single file version. Yeah, OneLoad directory. Yeah, then I've got all of that stuff that's been already converted. Yeah. Let's see, what was that? Arconoid. Yeah, double player one. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. And yeah. Also, I've been playing on the gamepad that I 3D printed myself and made a little PCB. And one of the reasons why I've been so rubbish, because it's not great, but it works, and for some games it's more convenient than a classic joystick. But you can actually get them quite cheap on eBay and with much better looks, like resembling the original NES gamepad and the likes. So yeah, I hope I've interested you, and if you'd like to get one either in the case or without the case, there are links to my eBay items in the description below. So thank you and see you next time.